I want to talk to you about banks that pay you to open an account. And of course, those are banks that actually run promos all year long. So here are our winners. First, Chase Bank. And Chase Bank, we're speaking here about the private client side of things. So here you can actually earn up to $3,000. And basically, if you open a Chase private client checking account in the next 45 days, you can earn $3,000. And but to get the bonus, you need to meet with a private client banker by the promotional deadline, which is actually 45 days. And the cool thing about this promo is that it's actually ongoing, and you got to transfer at least a total of $250,000 of money or securities from outside the bank over to Chase within 45 days. So we're speaking here about $250,000. So Chase Private Bank is actually for rich people, okay? And but this checking account has a $35 monthly maintenance fee if you don't keep at least $150,000 in this account or in linked deposit accounts or investment accounts at Chase. And a linked Chase Platinum Business Checking account can also help you avoid that monthly service fee. So that's really good. And what we love about this account is that it is actually, as I think I said this before, it is ongoing. So now you can earn $1,000 if you deposit between $150,000 and $249,999. You will earn $2,000 if you deposit between $250,000 and $499,000, and you will earn actually $3,000 if you deposit $500,000 or more. Okay, so that's really you can see that you have a pretty scaled promo model here. Okay, now one thing I want to say is that it's totally possible if you are in that client sort of a category. Next, you have Citibank. Citibank, you can earn up to $2,500 in bonus. So Citibank is actually offering up to $2,500 to customers who open a new checking account in the next 45 days. And so to qualify for the bonus, funds must be deposited within 20 days after opening the account. So that's really important to think about. And the account balance after 20 days determines the bonus amount. So making a minimum deposit of $30,000 and maintaining that minimum balance can earn you $500. And making a minimum deposit of $300,000 and maintaining that minimum balance can earn you $2,500. And then you also have a Huntington National Bank, and you can earn up to a $600 bonus. And if you transfer, you can earn this within the next 60 days, 2 months. Okay. So basically, they have two checking account bonuses available for both consumers and business owners. So you can apply to earn $400 for opening a Perks checking account and making a cumulative deposit of at least $1,000 within 90 days of the account opening, and $600 for opening a Platinum Perks checking account and making at least $25,000 in cumulative deposit within 90 days of the account opening. So that's really good. Now, if you're thinking about banks that pay you to open an account, I want you to think about BMO Harris. So consumers who don't have a BMO checking account are eligible to earn a $350 to a $500 bonus by opening a Smart Advantage checking account, relationship checking account, or Smart Money checking account. So that's kind of cool. And you have to do this in the next 45 days. And one checking account bonus is permitted it's actually permitted per customer. And you got to open the account within the next 45 days. So it's important. Next, you have PNC Bank. PNC has up to $400 reward in bonus. You can earn one of the following bonuses at PNC Bank. $400 by opening a virtual wallet with Performance Select, qualifying deposit of $5,000. You can earn $200 by opening a virtual wallet with Performance Spain, qualifying direct deposit of $2,000. And you can earn $100 by opening a virtual wallet, qualifying the direct deposit of $500. And this has to happen within the next 30 days. To be eligible for this offer, all signers must not have a current PNC personal checking account, must not have closed an account within the past 90 days, and must not have received a bonus from PNC in the past 2 years. Also, you have the next one. You have Access Bank. So you can earn a $300 in bonus. New Access Bank checking customers can earn $300 by making direct deposit of at least $5,000 into a new rewards checking account for 7 straight months. you will need to open your new rewards checking account. So within the next 60 days, you need to deposit $5,000 or more of funds from outside of Axos Bank within 30 days of your account opening date. And you will need to actually continue having $5,000, as I said, or more for 7 straight months. Otherwise, you can't qualify for this this bonus. But it has to be you have to do this, and this promo is actually it's a rolling promo, so it's available year long. Next, I want to talk to you about Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo is paying a $300 bonus. So new checking customers can earn $300 at Wells Fargo. To earn the bonus, you'll need to open a Wells Fargo everyday checking account through Wells Fargo's checking offer websites and provide your bonus code when you open your account. You can also follow instructions to open an account at a Wells Fargo branch. And you got to have a cumulative direct deposit amount of at least $1,000 into your account within the first 90 calendar days of opening this new account. And you got to deposit at least $25 into that new account by the next 45 days. Next, you have SoFi Bank. SoFi Bank is actually giving you up to $300. So new SoFi Bank customers can earn up to $300 by opening a checking account and savings account. You will need actually a direct deposit to earn the bonus. The amount of your total qualifying direct deposit during the bank's 25-day evaluation period, which starts after SoFi receives a direct deposit, will determine the bonus amount according to SoFi Bank's website. So a direct deposit between $1,000 and $49.99 earns $50, and a direct deposit of at least $5,000 earns $300. And this offer ends in the next 30 days. Next, you have Chase Bank, and Chase Bank will give you from $300 to $100. $100 to $300, and this offer is available in the next 45 days. And this is actually an ongoing offer, by the way. So to earn $300, open a new total checking account and have direct deposit of at least $500 within 90 days of signing up for a Chase offer coupon. And so to qualify for the bonus, you must not have an existing Chase checking account or had one closed with a negative balance in the past 3 years or closed within the last 90 days. And to earn $100, open a new Chase College checking account. This account does not have a $4.95 monthly service fee, and college students ages 17 to 24 rather, qualify for this account. So this is good. Next, I want to share with you Fifth Third Bank. So Fifth Third Bank is offering you a $200 bonus. So they have a $200 bonus available if you open a momentum checking or a preferred checking account before the end of this month. So this is in the next 45 days. You also need to have a qualifying direct deposit of at least $500 or more, okay, into this account within 90 days of opening this new account. And you also have a M&T Bank. So M&T is paying you up to $200 bonus. You can earn up to $200 for opening any personal checking account at M&T Bank. So in the next 60 days, so within 90 days of the checking account's opening, a qualifying direct deposit of at least $500 must be made to qualify for the bonus. So this is important to think about. Next, you have a Bank of America. So Bank of America is actually paying you a $200 bonus. So new personal checking customers can earn $200 from Bank of America when they open an account online. And this offer expires in the next 45 days. So to get the bonus, you must not have had a Bank of America personal checking account or being a co-owner of an account within the past 12 months. You must open a new Advantage Safe Balance Banking, Advantage Plus Banking, or Advantage Relationship Banking account online. You must actually make an opening deposit, $25 opening deposit for the Advantage Safe Balance checking account, and $100 opening deposit for the others. And you must also receive qualifying direct deposit of at least $2,000 each within 90 days of your account opening. So this is important to think about. But the cool thing is this offer once again is actually ongoing. So Bank of America doesn't have. Sorry about this. So Bank of America doesn't have like any deadline for this bonus. So that this offer. So for, for the next 45 days, you will really love the fact that you can actually take advantage of this offer at any time during the year. Next, I want to share with you a key bank. So if you're looking for banks that pay you to open an account, I want you to think about KeyBank. Now, KeyBank is not giving you that much, but hey, listen, it's still something anyway. So KeyBank is giving you a $100 annual bonus. So you can earn an annual bonus of $100 by opening a Key Select checking account and having direct deposits of $60,000 or more go into your new account. Okay, and so the bank will start tracking the $60,000 requirement after your second statement cycle, and then you will need to meet or exceed the 60,000 direct deposit requirements during that 1 year period. Okay, and you will need to have at least qualifying direct deposit during the last 60 days of your 1 year period that starts during the third statement cycle. And you also have a TD Bank. TD Bank has a $200 bonus, so you can earn $200 by opening a new TD Signature Savings or TD Simple Savings account. So that's for savings account or money market account. So basically, a deposit of at least $10,000 from funds outside of a TD Bank is required into a new TD Signature Savings or Simple Savings account, and a balance of $10,000 or more must be maintained for 90 days to earn this bonus. And this offer ends in the next 45 days, and customers who have a personal money market account or savings account with TD in the previous 12 months are not eligible for the offer. You also will not be eligible if you have redeemed a previous savings bonus at TD Bank. So be aware of that. Okay, you can't really accumulate multiple promos. You also have Alliance Credit Union. So this is a credit union. So you have a $100 bonus after a year. So new members of Alliance Credit Union who open an Ultimate Opportunity Savings account can earn $100 after a year by making monthly deposits of at least $100 for 12 consecutive months into that account. So current Align members are not eligible for the offer. So they're really targeting new members. So I just shared with you the 15 banks that pay you to open an account this year, and they have the promotions on an ongoing basis. Okay, so here are some considerations I want you to think about. So why banks have sign-up bonuses? Well, pretty simple, right? Banks use sign-up bonuses to actually distinguish themselves from others in the industry, and cash bonuses also help financial institutions bring in new customers and new deposits. Banks are particularly inclined to offer bonuses in a rising interest rate environment, when the spread between the interest rate they offer customers for deposits versus the interest rate they can get by lending money widens. So while they could also pay account holders a higher yield, for some banks offering a bonus is preferable. So this is really what it is. So it's much easier to quantify the bonus than it is to raise the rate on what you are paying out on deposits. So some banks offer more than one sign-up bonus, but qualifying for multiple bonuses at the same time at the same bank usually is not possible, right? Based on our experience. And bank account bonuses are typically available only to new checking or savings account holders. I mean, banks need to make sure that they do not actually cannibalize their own balance sheets, right? So they can be offering the bonuses to existing clients. So what should you watch out for as you are chasing bank bonuses? Well, not every bank bonus is a good deal. Before signing up, you want to read the fine print, and you want to be realistic about your ability to meet the requirements. That's important. You want to watch out for sky-high minimum balance requirements and monthly fees that could eat into your earnings. So if you are applying for a checking account, make sure it's a good match that meets your needs. For example, if you need to use branches and ATMs, double check that there are plenty of them in your area. That way you're not really driving miles to meet with a banker or wasting money on out-of-network ATM fees. And with online banking becoming more popular and convenient, look for a bank or credit union that offers a solid set of digital tools too. So if you're looking for a new savings account, consider whether you are better off finding another bank that pays more interest. For instance, one-time bonuses are typically offered on accounts that pay minimal interest. So while the bonus is great initially, you may be sacrificing the long-term return. So think about your ROI. This is an important element to think about. You also want to think about taxes. I mean, because bank account bonuses are considered income. I mean, the IRS think that they're income, and they are income. So the IRS taxes any bank account bonuses you earn at the same rate as your income, which is between 10 and 37% this year, right? 37 to 39%. So ahead of tax season, your bank will likely send you a 1099 INT form, so interest form. This is really important. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter if you change your geography during the year or whatever. No, the bank actually, as long as they make the payment to you, they are by law they are required to notify the authorities about that payment to you, and so they'll send you the interest income 1099 interest income form. It's called 1099 INT. You can see this on the screen now. Now, if you earn the bonus of more than $10, basically the bonus may show up on a 1099 miss form. So 1099 miss form. So it's miss form. That's a miscellaneous form. So, and you can see this on the screen here. So this is how the 1099 miss form looks like. That's if you earn a bonus of more than $10. Okay. Next, your bank may also choose not to send you a tax form for a bonus you've earned. If this happens, you are still responsible for paying taxes on the bonus. You can list the income from a bank account bonus on a 1040 form. So this is important. I mean, if you do not actually report your income, and the IRS later on finds out about this, you will be actually liable for a lot of fees, a lot of penalties, a lot. I mean, this is not really this is not right for you. Okay, so do the right thing. You want to be a law-abiding citizen. And so what you want to do is, if the bank fails to notify you and send you the right form, you still need to list your income when filing your taxes. Okay. So remember that when we speak about Form 1040, this is the form that actually enables you to report any additional income from sources such as unemployment compensation or money associated with prizes or awards. Remember that a bank bonus is considered a prize or award. So as soon as you receive a bank bonus, it's always a good idea to set aside a percentage of it based on your tax bracket for taxes. This way, you'll have the money to cover any related tax obligations. I mean, we actually tell our clients to set aside 33%, set aside 1/3 of the payment, so that you know that you're covered. I mean, even if your tax bracket is 20% or 25%, at least you will set aside way more, so that you actually can counter any surprises from the IRS or from other government authorities. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I'll share with you banks that pay you to open an account. So I'll give you the winners and also our considerations. So winners, you have Chase Bank, Citibank, Huntington Bank, BMO, PNC, Axos, Wells Fargo, SoFi, Chase again, Fifth Third, M&T, Bank of America, KeyBank, TD Bank, and Alliant Credit Union. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.